Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Mark's Fish Care. And in today's video I finally figured out what was going on with my aquarium and my peppered cories. If you remember from my previous video, my 36-gallon tank, some of the two peppered cories died and two of them got some bubbles on top of their fins. At first I thought it was some sort of disease, but then I went and did some research, and actually it was some gas bubble disease, which means that I had too much bubbles in the tank. So I reduced the oxygen in my tank and the bubbles completely disappeared, and now the fish are doing good. But also I figured to myself, maybe I need to change the filter. Since I have Aquaclears on most of my tanks, I really like that filter, and I bought a Aquaclear 50 because right now I have Aquaclear 50. And Aquaclear 50 did a very good job, and it just was working for me for 2 years almost. But sometimes times comes that you need to upgrade and change something up, and that's probably what happened to my fish, pushed me to better filtration. And there's a lot of odor coming now from that aquarium because of all the rotten plants. So I decided to stick to Aquaclear now, and in today's video I will be unboxing the filter and setting it up and doing a quick little update on what's going on with my tank. So hope you will enjoy it, and let's go ahead and do that. Before we get into a review of the filter and how to set it up, the other thing that I bought is it's pretty good because it's pretty much waste control. It reduces organic waste, and especially in the aquariums like this where it's very hard to vacuum the gravel, and plus it's not a very good idea to vacuum it all the time because I will remove a lot of nutrients that plants require to survive. So this stuff is very good, and I will be adding it to my aquarium, and it should really help with fish health and everything. So I very recommend this waste control. It doesn't have to be this brand, but in general, whatever, when it says waste control, it usually means some good stuff. If you have lots of problems with breaking down organic matter, and I'm pretty sure this tank is for sure has many problems. So let's go ahead and look at the filter. So here it is. I already did an unboxing video of a 110 Aquaclear 110, and it was a very popular video actually that I had, and lots of people love these filters, and the reason why they like these filters is because they're very good. Pretty much, I'm not sponsored by anybody to do this review. It's just my personal opinion, guys, and please bear with me. This filter is very good. First of all, is because of the filtration. It has pretty much 3 different stages to filtration, like you can see on this packaging. It has a basic foam on the bottom. First of all, it's like a cartridge where you insert your foam, you insert your carbon media to reduce odors and other pretty much odors and other stuff. And of course your Biomax bio balls where your beneficial bacteria always stays. And what's good about this kind of filtration is, first of all, you don't really need to switch it up that often, and it's already pretty good, because if you don't need to buy filters all the time and all the media, it will save you a lot of money in the long run. These filters run about $10 more than other brands, but the reason they do that because they have quiet operation, they have a 3-stage filtration, and they do a phenomenal job of keeping your tank clean, and they reduce ammonia like crazy. So let's go ahead and open up and see what's in the box. But before we do that, I want to tell you that it's not going to be easy for me because unfortunately I have to do it with one hand, so don't judge me a lot, please. So first of all, when you open the box, you get your regular Aquaclear manual, which sometimes comes in handy, but usually nobody needs it, of course. And on the left side in this package, you get your filter inserts. As you see here, it says especially for filter 50, since this one is designed for aquariums from 20 to 50 gallons pretty much, but I would recommend this on somewhere in between, to be honest, somewhere from 30 to 45. I wouldn't run this on the 50 gallon or higher, because it just doesn't have enough power, to be honest, and if you want to do that, you'll probably have to use 2 at least. So it comes with this foam, of course. Comes with carbon, like I said already. It's in the bag, so make sure you rinse this when you place it in. And old trusty Biomax balls that you gotta rinse. Take them out of this package and put them into this sack. Pretty much just open the sack, throw these in, rinse them, and then they give you a little clipper or so, which you have to use to clip the bio balls in that sack. It's pretty neat. And let's get back to the filter itself. So let's get this guy out of here. As you see, it's a pretty simple filter. There. It comes with a pump, of course. Pump stays out of the aquarium, so the only kind of drawback with this filter is that you gotta prime it with water before turning it on. Like my AQ1, you do not have to prime it, since the water pump is inside the aquarium itself, but not in this case. But I'd say it has way more pluses than minuses. So there's a lid, of course, just simple lid. Your tubes, elbow, and you can regulate the flow of the temperature pretty much. I will the flow of the water, so I will show that when we install it. Another tube extender, pretty much. If you use it for a deeper aquarium like I'm gonna do, then you gotta use both of the tubes. And then sack where all the filter media sits. I will show this pretty soon. And the filter pretty much looks like this. So nothing special about it that much. So now what I want to do is I'll put everything together and I will place it in my tank, and I will show you how it looks in running order. Thanks. Okay, so I'm in the process of doing a water change, and as you see over here, my filter is already all set up. I don't know if you guys can, yeah, you can probably tell. I tilted it the most I could, so the water will keep coming out, and all of my filtrations is inside, and I will be turning it on in a bit when I fill the tank right back up. But for now, I want to release my fry, since I noticed there's way more fry than I thought in this tank, and I'm tired of catching them and raising them, because eventually the tank will be overstocked with mollies, and I don't want that to happen. So I will release them right now, and plus most of them are already big, and we'll see what happened, what will happen in the future. Let's go ahead and do that. So in here I have 3 of them, 4. You see, most of them are pretty big. There's only one small one, so it's up to them. If they will survive, they will survive. If not, then not. It's not a big loss, and especially I don't want to have a bunch of mollies in the tank. So let's go ahead and let them go. One is gone. Come on, guys. Yeah, another one is gone. And I believe that's it. Okay, guys, so let me get back to you when I fill up the tank, and I will talk about the filter more. So I finally finished changing my water, aquarium water, and I released my mollies, my molly fry. And they're doing okay. I don't think they're gonna die though. I honestly don't think that the bigger ones will die. Maybe the smaller ones will, but it all depends if they will get enough food and stuff. But right now the tank looks a bit cloudy. It's because I just changed water, and I'm happy I did it. Now I need to add that waste control, and I'll add some plant nutrients and this, I forgot the name of it, oh yeah, Flourish Excel as well. So I'll add all of those after I finish showing you guys the Aquaclear filter. So now it's in running order, and as you see, very quiet. Just listen to this for a sec. Super quiet and a very good operation. And now I put the lid on, and you see there's a plus minus, so you can control the flow of the water. If you want it a little bit more, you can adjust it over here. So that's very neat feature that they added. But in general, it's about it for the video today, and hope you enjoyed it, and have a nice day, guys. See ya.